Trackless screen door production process. Assembly frame. Mounting clip on the side profile. Use screws to secure the frame. Mark the mesh drilling position. Drill holes into the mesh using the device. Attach plastic strips to both sides of the mesh. Use a tool to punch holes in the plastic strip. Install the drawstring buckle in the hole of the plastic strip. Thread the drawstring through the drawstring buckle and mesh. Cut off excess plastic strips. Thread the mesh into the tie rod. Thread the mesh into the stripping rod. Install polyangle coat. Thread the tank chain through the polyangle coat into the tie rod. Attach the end to the side profile. The other end is the same way. Secure the drawstring and cut the excess drawstring. Attach a drawstring in the middle. Pull the rope through the corner cord of the corresponding end. Return to the center and secure with screws. Continue through the corner cord at the other end. Return to the center and secure with screws. Pull rod mounting magnetic strip and plastic cover plate. Complete installation.